Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying permissions so recording starts cleanly. Make sure the microphone and camera are allowed. Once done, open the Glip Recorder from the app menu or use the hotkey to bring it forward. You must decide right away whether to capture your screen, a specific window, or just camera input. This choice affects file size and privacy. After selecting input, set audio levels and confirm the preview looks correct. Then press record when you're ready to capture the first take. You'll now handle the detailed controls that shape the final file. During recording, use pause and resume to skip errors without producing multiple clips. This keeps your timeline tidy. If your content needs application audio, toggle system audio so viewers hear playback or alerts. Make sure to set video quality and frame rate for the intended platform and pick a save location with enough space. If you plan edits, choose slightly higher quality. If you need quick uploads, lower bitrate works better. You finish by stopping the recording and letting Glip autosave the file, then immediately review the clip in the built-in editor to trim or add notes. Once satisfied, export as MP4 for broad compatibility or copy a share link to post in channels and message teammates. If something goes wrong, for example, no audio, check microphone permissions, ensure the correct input was selected, and restart Glip. If problems persist, reboot your device and retest permissions before re-recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.